अनुदानित शैक्षणिक संस्थांकडल्यान शिक्षक आणि कर्मचाऱ्यांक वेळार आणि निर्धारित वेतन दिना अश्यो कागाळी वाडपाक लागल्या उपरांत मुख्यमंत्री डॉ. प्रमोद सावंत हांणी 2023-24 अर्थसंकल्पीय भाशणांत मुख्यमंत्री गुरदक्षिणा येवजण जाहीर केली. हे येवजणे खाला अनुदानित शैक्षणिक संस्थांक एक्सिस बँकेन खाती उगडपाचे निर्देश दिले. मात आतां मेरेन जायत्या संस्थांनी एक्सिस बँकेन खाती उगडूंक ना. ताका लागून शिक्षण संचालकान परत परिपत्रक जारी करून सगळ्या अनुदानित शैक्षणिक संस्थांक एक्सिस बँकेन खाती उगडपाचे आदेश जारी केल्यात. राज्यांत सुमार 570 अनुदानित शैक्षणिक संस्था आसात. शिक्षण खात्याच्या आदेशा प्रमाण या सगळ्यांक आता एक्सिस बँकेन खाती उगडची पडटली. मात सरकाराच्या या निर्णयाचेर विरोधक तिडकल्यात. राष्ट्रीयकृत नाशिल्ल्या बँकेन खाती उगडपाचे चेपण सरकार अनुदानित शैक्षणिक संस्थांचेर कित्याक हाडटा असो प्रश्न गोवा फॉरवर्ड पक्ष विचारता. एक्सिस बँकेंतूच बँक खाती उगडपाचे निर्देश दिवपी शिक्षण खात्यान शाळा आणि शिक्षण संस्थांक जारी केल्ले परिपत्रक हे भाजप सरकाराच्या खासगी बँकांक उर्बा दिवपी आणि राष्ट्रीयकृत बँको सोंपोवपी धोरणाचो पुरावो जावन आसा. मुख्यमंत्री डॉ. प्रमोद सावंत हांणी हे परिपत्रक बेगीनूच फाटीं घेवचे अशें ट्वीट आमदार युरी आलेमाव हांणी केलां.
It is shocking to see that a circular is issued by the Director of Education, which is asking all the schools and institutions to open their bank accounts into Axis Bank. This is nothing but a move to prioritize this private banks and finish the nationalized banks. The same issue was raised by me in the Legislative Assembly, where the Honorable Chief Minister, I had questioned him on the move of favoriting this Axis Bank. All the accounts of the police personnel in Goa police they were forced to open the bank accounts in Axis Bank. And why particularly everything happens around Axis Bank? It is a known fact that a top BJP leader's wife is a director with Axis Bank, and they are asked, or the BJP government in Goa is acting on the dictates from Delhi. They are being given an assurance by the Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant. This will cause a lot of problems to these educational institutes and schools. I fail to understand. And why particularly Axis Bank? The Chief Minister should immediately withdraw and explain what additional facilities does Axis Bank provide that the other nationalized banks don't provide. I demand that the Director of Education should also immediately withdraw this circular, should not act under pressure from the Honorable Chief Minister. And the Chief Minister today is answerable to the people of Goa, to these institute schools. Why are you prioritizing only Axis Bank? Is this because of the dictate of a top BJP leader?